So the problem with Samay Raina to me is creative jokes, yes. He's one of the few comedians that can crack a dark joke and I can appreciate the creativity behind it.
But like across so many arenas,
Arenas.
it's
God, you're
just
on
like
fire,
I'm
Sanjana.
on fire.
I started kickboxing and boxing after
Because
watching
of
Mary
Mary
Kom. Ultimately, अपने यहाँ से ही तो गया है.
Neighbors.
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 It looked like those costume shops that
Yeah,
would
yeah,
make
exactly,
costumes.
exactly.
Ready to make costumes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Like when
Like,
you know,
give it to everyone.
yeah, like
हाँ.
you know 15th August का time है.
वही,
ये बिकने वाला है.
वही,
हाँ.
exactly. Hi guys, I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
And we are Besharam.
Can we do it again? Literally every Olympian right now.
Oh,
One more time, please. I'm following the Olympics, I would say, like, not regular. I watch the Indian matches as one does, as the entire world does, I believe. Everyone's just watching the
Yeah.
Indian matches. Imagine.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's no joke. It's no lie that Olympics is quite literally shit right now. And I'm not
Yeah.
just saying that because there's a lot of politics from like India's part, but also because I mean it's literally shit. Do you guys know that people who are shitting in rivers?
In reverse.
In- Dude,
Yep.
so
yeah,
there is
yeah, yeah,
a
yeah.
river called the River Seine
Yeah.
in Paris,
Hmm.
and
Paris.
nobody had swam
Paris.
in that river in the past 100 years.
Yes.
And they decided to make a multi-billion-dollar project to clean that river for the Olympics.
Hmm.
And the locals were like, "Bro,
Potty करते
literally,
हैं."
हाँ, हम
No,
नहीं करने
literally.
देंगे." People started shitting in that river.
Hmm.
And to the point where it actually worked, like their $1 billion project didn't work a few weeks before the
Olympics.
before the event. They checked for E. coli, and there was hazardous levels of E. coli in the water.
Ew.
And they somehow convinced the authorities that the water is safe to do the event in, and the event actually happened.
So they swam in shit?
Now I don't know what happened behind the
because-
behind the stage, but the few weeks before there was dangerous amounts of E. coli, but the event happened, so they might have convinced somehow the authorities कि नहीं हमने साफ कर दिया है.
Bro, but even if they did, it looked only like shit. And how were the participants
look
willing to
na,
swim
like,
in that?
Very little particles. It didn't look like
Still, would you be willing to shit swim in like?
it. I'm willing to shit. Actually
Would
speaking,
you be willing to swim in a water body which has even a little bit amount of shit in it? That's disgusting. I wouldn't
I'm
even do that for my
sorry,
country.
I'm sorry. You've literally seen videos of Aqua Magica. I don't think
That's why I don't
Oh my
go in it.
God.
That's why I don't go.
Bro, this is
No,
why-
but I feel like French people are kind of like that in head.
for sure.
Yeah, I mean, what problem do you have? They are cleaning the river, right?
Hmm.
That's eventually
Um,
going to be helpful to you guys.
I would like to
Exactly.
differ on this.
Okay.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Because as an Indian, we shouldn't say this. Because imagine this happened in India. Do you think Olympian swimmers would swim in Nala Sopara? Tell me, yes or no? That just wouldn't happen. By the way, they won't choose Nala,
Nala Sopara
They
is a
won't
joke
choose Nala
line.
Sopara.
That's like making them swim in a gutter.
Exactly. They'll
But all
completely
like
rule that
water
out.
bodies are all water bodies are like connected, right? So it's all the same fucking water everywhere.
I guess.
So maybe that's why like the Olympics have not happened in India yet. Maybe, or if they happen in India, do you think what city they would choose to make them happen?
Ahmedabad.
I see
Yeah.
that. I see that.
Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
I see that. It's
Yeah,
a what?
yeah,
It's
yeah.
it's a what do you call it?
There's a river. There's a proper stadium that like
Coast
Ahmedabad.
city.
yeah.
Coast city. Yeah, correct.
Apparently,
Yeah,
there
and
was like
it's-
rumors that the next Olympics might be held at.
It's in LA. Next Olympics
it's
is in LA.
It's in the
That's already
US.
decided.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but apart from the river situation, also, I feel like Olympics this year has just completely tanked down.
Yeah.
In so many
Tanked,
aspects.
literally.
Yeah.
They made a multi-billion-dollar tank.
A shit
Oh,
tank.
yeah. Yeah.
No,
Now I. Yeah.
But like across so many arenas,
Very nice. God,
It's
you're
just
on
like,
fire,
I'm
Sanjana.
on fire. But like, I feel like across so many areas, they've just like, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what the
Management.
IOC is
Yeah,
doing this
bro.
time.
Yeah.
OC.
IOC.
College fest nahi मेरे जान.
International Olympic Committee.
Committee.
Olympic committee. I was thinking organizing
Oh,
committee.
same.
I was
Same.
like, यहाँ पर मल्हार हो
वापस
रहा है.
ट्रोल करेंगे तुम लोगों को भाई.
नहीं तूने OC बोला.
I said
मुझे
IOC.
IOC.
Oh,
अच्छा
yeah.
अच्छा. I didn't hear that.
No, but their management is like shit.
Yeah.
Like the river.
Do you think the
Literally
management was
shit.
also shitting at some point? They were like, नहीं
छोड़ो
करना
यार.
हमें.
हम भी हक देते हैं. काम में हगेंगे.
हगा ना पूरा.
हाँ.
So apparently the French people like couldn't get one gymnast to play with them. So this gymnast went to some other country and won a gold medal against France.
They
As
can
she
do
should,
that.
As they should.
No, so her dad was from that other country, which I forget. I wish I looked this up before we started shooting. But this lady was from France, and she used to play in the France team, and she had injuries, and she couldn't go for the proper type of training that the France gymnasts were getting. So
Okay.
she was like, "I'm just asking for some time, and like you guys can wait for me." They didn't wait. So she was like, okay, my mom's from France, my dad's from like
Another.
an African country. I remember it was an
Oh,
African country,
okay.
but I don't know
Oh.
which one. So I was like, okay, I'll change my citizenship and I will go. It was 2 years, it was 2022.
Okay.
2022 mein hua tha, so she had 2 years to train over there and everything. And she did that. She was so good that she beat France.
Slay woman.
Yeah.
But like speaking about gymnasts, Simone Biles,
Yeah.
bro, she's insane.
She's beautiful.
She's
like
not real.
amazing.
She's first of all the
Yeah.
oldest gymnast since 1952, I believe, and she is slaying
She's
in her field.
been amazing, man.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
I feel like whatever I've seen, whatever reels I've seen of her, it's just her like doing her tadi midi.
Yeah.
But like
Tadi
but she's so, I mean I don't mean to be offensive,
I-
but she's so good.
I know.
And
I
she
didn't know
always
that.
Yeah.
fucking sticks that landing like she owns it.
I
Yeah,
know.
It's like
I
she
don't
has
know how she does
glue.
it.
It's
Under
like,
her feet, and she's like
and then
Yeah.
stuck.
do y'all? I don't know if y'all do this, but like whenever I'm at home alone, I just like
No. Acha, like that.
it's just so fun to like impersonate those gymnasts. Like I'm
Yeah.
actually doing it.
Do you
I'll just
jump
do
off
like
your
one
bed also?
small. Yeah, of course I do that. Every morning I get up and I'm like,
And then you don't stick the landing.
and then I like fall down.
Remember,
Right.
Sanjana, how I tried to do a somersault on your bed and then I failed miserably. I was almost going to fall.
When?
Really?
When did we ask?
Yeah. No, but I don't remember that.
She went like, ay, ay, ay.
No,
But
I
like,
don't.
I don't remember following the Olympics when it happened in 2020. But I only remember Simone Biles' name. That's the only one name I remember, and Neeraj Chopra because he won the gold medal. But like other than that, I think I don't remember anyone.
Speaking
No,
of our
because
golden
they're
boy,
all-
Like she was so good. It like 4 साल के बाद भी वही बंदी का नाम याद है.
Yeah, because I think she's consecutively also been
Winning.
winning.
Yeah,
winning
exactly.
consistently.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And like gold, just gold.
Just gold.
Yeah.
Like a majority of them are just goals.
Yeah.
Goals.
चांदी में खेलती नहीं है.
बट मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये मुझे एक थियोरी है मेरी छोटी सी ज्यादा नहीं मुझे लगता है फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज को है ना मेडल नहीं मिलने चाहिए प्रेफरेंस पे मतलब यहाँ पर रिजर्वेशन टाइप्स होना चाहिए मैं समझाती हूँ द स्मॉलर कंट्रीज हु डोंट हैव लाइक द मींस एंड एवरीथिंग वो एक दो मेडल में खुश है फिलहाल पर एथलीट उनके बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के हैं सो उनको जस्ट बिकॉज मीन्स नहीं मिल रहा डजंट मीन कि उनको मेडल भी नहीं मिलना चाहिए एंड लाइक आई इमेजिन बीइंग लाइक अ सिटीजन ऑफ लाइक another
First world country.
first world country and like you don't feel that kind of proud that you feel when you don't have that many medals like,
Thing is that over there, accessibility to training is like at a higher frequency.
Correct.
Over here in India, you see all these talented sports persons and athletes coming from like small villages.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Like and they are also they come from such hardships and they have to train for years. They have to find a good trainer.
Yeah, and they also can't afford the trainers that the first world countries.
Yeah,
can
can
afford.
afford.
yes
That makes a
yes.
huge difference.
They are but I like one thing, that whenever India wins a medal, bronze or gold or jo bhi ho,
Jo bhi ho.
every medal is a medal.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love how
Every
we
win
just
is a
like
win.
What I love
collectively
about
come
that
together.
when that happens is that I know in 4 or 5 years we're going to get a banger Bollywood biopic, and I just can't wait for that.
Yeah.
True.
I
Like,
can't wait for Neeraj Chopra
Mary Kom to
biopic.
this day is
Yeah.
one movie that has like stuck with me.
Bro,
Yeah,
same, same,
Mary
same.
Kom.
And
I
even-
started kickboxing and boxing after
Because
watching
of
Mary
Mary
Kom.
Even when another thing about Indians and like their sportsmanship is ठीक है, Neeraj Chopra won second in the javelin
Right.
throw. They still supported the Pakistani guy who won
Exactly.
the gold, and that's
That's
really
so
nice,
cute.
man.
I also
Yeah,
saw
yeah,
this
yeah.
one post where Neeraj Chopra's mom is congratulating the
She
Pakistani
said,
guy.
"वो भी हमारा बेटा है,"
हाँ.
something that's so
And
sweet.
even her mom is like, "Bhai, he's actually the best. It doesn't matter who came
Yeah,
first, who
true,
came
true, true.
second.
He-
They're both
but he-
amazing.
he was
actors."
actually
he's-
so
bro,
good.
so
it's
good.
not even. A lot of people are like, "Oh, by fluke, he went over 90.
No,
he
no,
got
no,
it
no,
twice.
no, no.
He
Exactly.
crossed
Yeah,
90
yeah, yeah.
twice, and he did that with minimal support from his country.
Yeah.
But he still chose to fight, like do it
Stand.
in the Olympics, and he
Yeah.
So
stood his
I
ground.
saw
And he slayed.
the match,
Slayed.
like I saw the event
Hmm.
live
Yeah.
when it was happening.
Hmm.
And I saw it with my parents, and of course, initially I was kind of like, why is Neeraj fumbling today? No,
Yeah,
India
yeah.
should win,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
Pakistan,
yeah.
because that is the kind of rivalry we have. SAB,
And it's
Like,
also very
Pakistan, India is also-
unexpected for like him to cross Neeraj.
But one
Yeah.
observation that I made throughout that was everybody in that event was mostly in the range of like around 80 to 86, maybe 87 meters.
Mhm.
Neeraj, obviously, our golden
87,
boy,
yeah.
he got around 90, sorry,
No,
80,
87.
89, 89.45.
Yeah, 89. Sorry,
89.45. And Nadeem, actually, he got the 92.
92.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But he never lost his like composure. Like he was always like
Yeah,
50
yeah, yeah, yeah. You could,
centimeters behind the foul line.
yeah, you
Right.
could see the stealth and like the
Yeah.
Stability.
and the
discipline that-
confidence when he was playing.
Yeah, and all other players like world record like holders were actually like making a foul way more than Nadeem was.
Yeah.
He broke the Olympic record for
Yeah,
Yeah, he
Yes.
did. He did.
That's
And
a
that's
very
amazing.
proud moment.
That's a very
Exactly.
proud thing, bro.
Exactly.
It's
Yeah.
nice, it's nice.
Ultimately, अपने यहाँ से ही तो गया है.
Neighbors.
Neighbors.
Neighbors. बोलना नहीं चाहिए ये मुझे वैसे, लेकिन एक पाकिस्तानी आदमी ने ये रील बनाई थी और मैंने इसे देखी है और मैं उसको कोट कर रही हूँ. आप ढूंढ सकते हो ये रील. ठीक है. ये बंदा बोलता है, पाकिस्तान का ही था, ये बंदा बोलता है, आज हमारे ओलंपिक स्विमर ने रैंक लाई है हमारे लिए, चाहे वो आखिरी रैंक हो, हमें खुश होना चाहिए, वो डूबा नहीं.
Valid only.
Valid.
So I had seen this reel of so we all know how distasteful the Indian uniform was.
Yes.
Yeah.
With India being so rich in
Yes.
its
Culture.
culture with, and even like our dressing sense is quite culturally rich,
Right.
Very.
which should have been reflected in the Indian uniform, which did
Hmm.
not. And
It looked like Independence Day.
bro, it looked like, I don't mean to sound like harsh or anything, but it looked like something you make from, like best out of waste for your college, for your school annual day.
It looked like those, costume shops that
Yeah,
would
yeah,
make
exactly,
costumes.
exactly.
Ready to make costumes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ready to wear.
Like when
Like,
you know,
give it to everyone.
yeah, like
हाँ.
15th August का time है.
Why?
ये बिकने वाला
Why?
है. हाँ,
Exactly.
हाँ.
So I'd seen this reel of this lady talking about the entire like thing behind it,
Hmm.
and there's this designer called Tarun Talyani.
Yeah.
Okay, and he designed the
Yeah.
Indian uniform,
Hmm.
and apparently in like the border of the men and the women in the uniform, basically there's a logo,
Right.
and that was just free publicity for his clothing brand.
Right.
bro, like that was done so badly. Like if he wanted to do it,
Uniform तो अच्छा
why?
बनाता.
Exactly. See, if you wanted to do it, if you
हाँ.
wanted to promote your brand, do it, but at least do it tastefully.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What the fuck was this?
Exactly.
Like it looked bad. One,
Oh.
it did not reflect anything about the Indian
Country.
culture.
Yeah.
Just apart from the colors,
Yeah.
that's the least you could do.
He
Yeah.
didn't even do anything with the fucking colors, yaar.
He
It's such a good color combination, also like pleasing to the fucking eye.
Yeah, and there were a lot of people who actually came up with more variations of what the uniform should look like, and they were so much better,
So
much
much
better.
better.
1,000 times better than
And
what
they
we
have
actually picked.
like you can't tell me that they don't have the budget for such a thing.
And also it's not like he only gave one design and that got approved. उसने बहुत डिजाइन दिए होंगे ना फिर अप्रूव
Imagine
हुआ
how
होगा.
bad the other ones were.
ठीक है अगर समझ के है तेरे पास इतना ही बजट है तो तुझे इतने बड़े डिजाइनर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है लोकल आर्टिस्ट के पास जाओ
Yeah,
Nancy
there's so
Tyagi.
many of them.
नैन्सी थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया
No, she's good. She's good.
ना शी इज ग्रेट बट फिर वो थोड़ा इंस्टाग्राम टाइप्स हो जाएगा ना वो अगर वो उनको ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा में भेजेगी तो वो ऐसे ऐसे चल
Puffy
रहे
dress.
इंडियन एथलीट बाकी सब एथलीट्स ऐसे चल रहे इंडियन
नीरज
एथलीट्स
नीरज
ऐसे
चोपड़ा
चल
के
रहे।
जैकेट पे ऐसे javelins बने हुए हैं.
और बताओ क्या चल रहा है ओलंपिक विलेज में
खाना नहीं मिल रहा लोगों को.
भाई खाने एक
खाना
second,
नहीं मिल रहा.
खाने
Basic
पे
necessity नहीं मिल रही है.
भागो
food clothing shelter.
Bro, if this thing would have happened in a country like India or Pakistan
Yeah,
or
man.
Thailand or Bangladesh, no, these people would have been like
They would have
downright
shat on us,
bad.
man.
Like these countries cannot even host, such big events. And
Yeah.
why do they want to even try? See, under the name of being eco-friendly and resourceful, you can't
You
treat
can't deprive the athletes of
Yeah.
food, basic things that they need, bro.
Exactly. And it's not even like they're there to shoot a movie or something, bro. They have to play.
They're
For the
training.
country,
And
They're
like,
training. They're
So,
training hard.
that applies to like your country funding your food. From what I can tell, because the Olympic Village has a lot of places to eat,
Yeah.
and I found that out because there's a Norwegian swimmer who actually made a video on TikTok about these like chocolate muffins that he found, and he said it was the best event in the Olympics, and the internet went crazy. Okay, they started recreating dupes of the Olympic Village chocolate muffin, and now it's the whole trend on TikTok.
what?
Oh.
Yeah, apparently it was very delicious, and like he was like resisting himself from not eating them because he had an event.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
damn.
But yeah, that was a cute, wholesome thing.
Yeah, but it feels so sad.
It
when
feels the
I know.
disparity between
Mm.
like, oh, the one country is like, oh, I'm resisting eating that chocolate muffin, and the other country is like,
Khana do.
fuck, I'm not reaching my protein goal.
Yeah, exactly.
And I have an event in like the next 2 hours.
Yeah.
That's
Aye.
what makes me feel like so depressed when athletes have to control their weight according to their diet and everything.
We
And
all saw that.
that was
Yeah,
so
we all saw
depressing.
that. I
That
was
was
coming to that.
very, very,
Yeah.
very depressing. Honestly, even when I would go for kickboxing and boxing matches, I haven't played states, but I have played district, and I've seen. I was never that hard on myself, but I've seen other people who are competing, like not eating anything, like 2-3 days before the match, because they want to play in a certain weight category,
Right.
and then they wouldn't even have water
Hmm.
before the
It's
match.
disheartening.
They wouldn't have
know.
water, and
Pretty fucking bad.
it's just like it was that last thread that kept me hanging,
Yeah.
and then I was like, no.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine what Vinesh might
Must-
be
Yeah, no.
going
She had to
through.
cut her hair.
Bro, she had to do so much to her body.
I know. And,
And
like,
the fact that there was no support from the authorities was
exactly.
Yeah.
I've
horrible.
I like saw it on reels that many a times when like specifically when people related to weight related sports
Hmm.
when they have an event, there's been times where they've actually been hospitalized because they have to be in that certain weight
Weight category.
category.
Yeah.
And they've put their body through so much, like they will work out, will not eat, will not drink, absolutely nothing, and they get dehydrated, they will faint. It directly leads to like
And you
heart
know,
problems
this
and stuff, and
is-
it's so scary to think
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
them
And
to
you
be
know,
training for- yeah.
this is the worst thing for an athlete, because when you are trying to lose weight in such a kind, you are losing all your muscle mass. You're not losing your fat. Fat loses after your muscle mass is like come to a level where, you know, after that it's like, so what happens basically is like you are not eating for like 5-6 days. तो पहले 4 days तक तेरा muscle mass lose होगा. Then your body realizes that you can't lose more muscle mass. Then your fat starts leaving your body.
Vinesh Phogat last Olympics
Yeah, yeah.
was like when she was in her final match, she couldn't see the opponent because her vision was blurred.
And to
I
think
can't-
that that continued from last Olympics, which was 4 years ago,
Yeah.
which is just getting worse, has gotten so much worse now. Like,
Says a lot.
it got so worse to the point where she had to like retire.
I know, man.
That was heartbreaking.
That was
very
beyond
That-
heartbreaking.
Those
dude.
3 lines were enough to make a grown man cry. I
grown
mean-
person cry.
Right.
Wow.
Right.
You know, a
Grown
year ago
person
you would have
cried,
fought
right.
with me with that.
I agree. I stand corrected. Grown person cry.
Yeah, yeah.
Wasn't
No,
right.
but
Oh, wait.
yeah,
the people who
for
know
real.
know. Nobody knows.
But like then I also saw that Mahavir Singh forgot her uncle.
Mhm.
He I think tweeted or something that like she should probably take some time and think this through before she actually gives her retirement, because retirement dene ke baad then you know nobody will.
No, I completely get that, but bro, she's been put through so much.
Yeah.
mentally
I
get
and
it.
physically.
I
we
get it.
we
Like,
cannot.
how-
get it.
Yeah.
She's reached her like limit.
Yeah, she's
And
reached
of
a
course,
peak for sure.
It's very easy for a third person to be like, oh, she should really think about her career and
Yeah,
like,
it's
give it
her
a thought.
uncle.
No, I know.
Yeah.
Still, it's
Even
he's
if it
not
was
living that experience as she is. No one knows what she's going
yeah,
through.
bro.
So
That's
for
fair.
anyone else to say that is not easy, but like it's not as no one knows what she's going through.
It's
Yeah,
her
obviously.
decision, honestly.
It's her decision.
Yeah,
Very true.
but yeah, fucked up shit just continues in the Olympics this time. There's this one commentator who passed out a very very sexist comment, and he was I think it was the women's swimming team, like that event was going on or something,
Yeah.
and he was doing his commentary as usual, and then he said, oh, you know how these women are with their makeup and all, it's going to take some time. And he apparently said it in, oh, I didn't mean it in like a bad way, but then
Sure.
like brother,
Sure, dude. We totally.
and then now
believe
he's
you.
kicked out of the comment, like
Great.
Yeah.
being a commentator.
They
That's
realized
the
that-
least
They could
Paris
do.
Olympics could do this year.
I-
Honestly.
I wonder if all Olympics are fucked up and we are just living for the first time to see it. See it.
For
Because
what it is,
see,
right.
Paris, though, abhi we are seeing properly without COVID restrictions.
yeah.
Tokyo was with COVID restrictions.
Yeah.
And before that, we were in school and we had to make a project on Rio. So,
Yeah.
remember Rio
Yeah.
2016?
Yeah.
We all made a project.
Yeah.
Right.
Uh, That though, we were just Googling stuff and we didn't actually
Upar
No,
Upar
but
se.
I think now that people are more accessible to internet and everyone is connected,
Fair.
it's easier for like batshit news to get
Everything
out
is in the
and
light
for-
now.
Yeah, and for people to know.
Right.
I think during lockdown also the Tokyo Olympics, it was very bad. It affected the I think the economy very badly.
Yeah?
The Japan
Oh.
economy.
Usually it
yeah.
doesn't. Usually
Yeah.
like makes it better, right?
Mm,
People are
Supposed
touring and
to,
everything.
yeah. It's
yeah,
supposed to
supposed
increase
to, but
a
it
lot
was
of-
during COVID.
It was during
Fair, fair,
COVID.
fair, fair.
Mm.
But after you've taken it up, you can't even give it up now because like India also now is trying for 2027. 2027? 2028?
Mhm.
2027 में शायद वो होगा announcement या कुछ पता नहीं.
Mhm.
But I read that somewhere else. I remember that number. India is also trying abhi. But once you get it, it's set in stone. So
Yeah.
Tokyo must have tried like 10 years before. And then
Yeah.
they got 2020 not knowing what will happen in 2020.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you all, which sport would you all like to see live and like why?
Good question.
Mm, I
Not
think
swimming
the-
because you can't see shit.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think the relay.
Ooh.
Relay.
That'd be
I'll
really
be
good.
like
I relate.
I don't know if you all know who Sha'Carri Richardson is. She is part of the US women's field and track event. Yeah, like
Yeah.
she has the
Oh.
sass in every
Oh, I've seen that reel.
Oh,
yeah.
even I've seen her on
thing that
reels.
she does, and it's so cool.
Yeah.
Like she has her nails done,
I
her hair is done, like her
know.
makeup
Slick
is done,
back.
and she's
Yeah.
always fucking winning.
Love
Like,
that.
Bro,
I
it's
love.
it's the sass gets me. She wins, of course, like very
Obviously.
casually. Like, oh, she starts.
And she's
Come
already
first.
there.
She's
Come
she's that and
first.
she's actually Flash.
So, yeah.
She just transports there.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
starts and then you see at the end.
Yeah,
You don't see the middle.
at the speed of light.
Yeah. No, but she's damn cool. Like the US team is so good.
Again, they have the means to be that good.
Yeah, but I don't want to just give all the credit to the means because these guys
It's
are
also
like
their
Yeah,
talent.
yeah.
Their
Again,
talent.
there is some amount of talent to
Big
Definitely,
countries
definitely.
have money, small countries have jigra.
yeah.
And now it's
Wow.
like, go fucking compete, do what you want. And then sometimes when, the smaller countries actually end up winning against all odds, then it's a big thing.
Yeah, it's
अब
like
हुई ना बात.
it gives those feels like बच्चा स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे पढ़ के IAS ऑफिसर बना है.
Exactly that. Exactly.
Yeah.
Bro.
No, but like you would want to watch the track events. What would you want to watch?
Track events and I think tennis or badminton.
Same
Tennis and badminton. Both.
bro, tennis like tak 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 tak.
Beautiful.
Tennis for sure.
Sexy है
Badminton
भाई.
I wouldn't watch because I have BT from watching the Lakshya Sen match.
Yeah, that's why. I didn't see.
The first
But like
round
tennis
I was like, nah, he's gonna get it. He will.
He's so
Easy.
smooth with it.
Mhm,
Easy.
mhm.
And the match before that when he did that
Yeah. Oh, that was so
Ooh,
good.
That was so cool.
That
like,
was so good.
First I didn't think he was hot. After that I was like, I'm gonna marry
you
him.
know what? You know what?
I will marry
I
Lakshya Sen.
guess. I guess.
It was somebody made a reel and they were like, what should we name this short? It's like
Sen short.
sensational
Oh.
or
Oh.
something else.
Love that.
Yeah, it was a
Yeah.
sensational shot.
Hmm.
That was
So good.
I know regardless के like he didn't win, he had an injury or whatever. ठीक है, होता है sports में ये सब.
Mhm.
He played fucking well.
He
I
played
would
yeah,
say.
he-
valid, valid.
वो
He
जब
made us
आगे वाला
proud.
उसको मलेशियन वाला पेल रहा था
हाँ.
तब भी उसने खेला. उसके
Hmm.
इंजरी के बाद भी उसने खेला. उसको वहां से उसकी कोच की गालियां मिल रही थी. उस ब्रो कंपोजर देखा, एक गाली नहीं निकली है उसके मुंह से, उसने एक वर्ड नहीं
It's not
बोला.
allowed also.
मैंने तो सुना था वो पीवी सिंधु के साथ जो लास्ट 2020 में जो ऑपोजिट खेल रही थी ना, वो दे रही थी बहुत गाली. मैंने वो लाइव देखी थी मैच.
And she didn't get like they didn't take any action against her. Like-
पीवी सिंधु won, but
Ah.
that's fairly. There was no
Okay, okay,
action
okay.
taken though against
Okay.
the other one.
Oh,
I forget
but
what
like
country she was
it's
from.
a rule now that you're not supposed to cuss on.
क्या पता. वो अपने कंट्री के लैंग्वेज में कस करेगी तो उनको क्या समझेगा पैरिस वाले को.
बात तो सही है.
वो तो कैसे बात करते,
बात
वी
तो
भी
सही
बात
है.
करते हैं ना वो तो.
बेवकूफ.
हाँ उनको क्या पता मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ.
अपने इंडियन चाहिए यहाँ पे गधी की औलाद.
What would you like to watch?
I would like to watch maybe shooting because I was really obsessed with that guy.
bro. No.
Like, are you
That was-
mad?
That was
some-
too good. That was
like some
crazy.
freaky shit, bro. Like
that
I
was straight.
wonder-
That was
he
straight.
came, he saw, he shoot.
That was
he shot. He
straight.
shot. Shoot.
That was
Shot.
straight out of a
Drug
Bollywood
lord
movie.
Yeah, dude.
I wonder if he's like a real life hitman. Because it was too easy for him.
I think he wanted to hide the fact that he was.
Could be. He's real life John Wick.
So someone said that he purposely didn't win the first prize because people would be like, "Oh, this is
Suspicious.
तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है."
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
हाँ.
मतलब बिना
I
headphones
think-
के,
I
मतलब
think
sorry,
he-
headphones क्या बोल रहे हो? The
बिना
Thing
gear
and the
के.
gear,
Hmm.
the eye thing, just he had his hand in his pocket.
Yeah.
I wonder if he got his gun from home.
ये तो रोज का है.
आज ये वाली gun. But
उसका
that was a
मार्क्स
very-
सेटअप हुए
very-
होंगे
very
क्या, क्योंकि
sexy
उसने
move.
वो सब
Very sexy
बाइनोकुलर वगैरह नहीं लगाया तो.
I don't think so.
नहीं.
I don't think so.
so.
नहीं ना. क्या पता.
From this, I came to know that it's not compulsory.
But उसको
हाँ.
extra marks देने चाहिए थे.
हाँ भाई, हाँ ना.
अप्सरा
है ना,
pencil
है
use
ना,
की थी
वही.
उसने.
वो भी वही सोच रहा था. But like talking about the bright side about some little light. Manu Bhagar won 2 bronze. Little cutie. And she's only 23.
Oh.
I did
Yeah,
not
yeah.
know that.
Makes you consider and rethink about your life choices. Us,
No,
us
I-
making a podcast.
I
and
know
her
for a
winning something
fact-
for the country.
Exactly. First of all, I don't think so that we should compare ourselves to her. She's like
Yeah. way above.
way
above.
above us
She's- yeah.
all.
Beyond.
Yeah, and even if we went back and like reconsidered all our life choices, it would still make no difference. Honestly.
Like, yeah.
And bro, she was so confident.
I mean, that's the least that you have to be, right? Can't win
At
a
that
medal.
age, bro. At
At that
age.
age, yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
like
give
you
her
are not
credit where credit is
competing.
due.
I'm not trying to compare her or anything, but you know, you're like having fun watching the Olympics and all the events. And then you're like, oh, this person won. And then they see their age. Oh, 18.
Oh.
Shit.
Really?
Shit.
That's happened.
There are a lot of people who are 18
Yeah.
who are like
I don't think
winning.
you guys have understood after you mentioned 23 Manu Bhaker. I stopped talking. I don't have anything to say.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to put you through that.
I know I turned 21 this year.
We all do, except
We all
Srishti.
do, except Srishti.
She'll turn 21
Yeah,
eventually.
eventually.
When we are 40.
अच्छा है मैं छोटी रहूंगी. मतलब
That's a weird comment.
it's
मैं
nice,
छोटी रहूंगी.
I'll be younger than you guys.
No, but like Manu
Okay.
Bhaker is a G for winning 2 bronze for
For real, bro.
India.
For real.
India.
You know who else is a G?
Who?
Aman Sarawat.
For sure. I see that.
He
That was
lost.
insane.
He lost 4.6 kgs in 10 hours, and still like went ahead and got a bronze medal for India.
Slave for
I
him too.
really
that.
do wonder how he was feeling during that match.
I'm so happy for all the winners, man. Like
Yeah.
special
I
place.
am, you know, I'm even happy
No.
for the people that didn't win and
No,
still made
of
it there.
course, definitely. Like you have
It's
to
a
have
huge
the
thing.
balls to go and compete there. And even if you don't win, like bro, you're competing against some of the best
Countries.
people in the entire world
Right.
in your sport.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Like that has to be like
भाई स्कूल के स्पोर्ट्स डे
Mad.
में धक धक होता था. ये तो मतलब कंट्री की बात है.
This was
Crazy
also
हो
like
गया.
an annual day only. But
या
Sports day.
पीछे
Sports
रिले
day.
चल रहा है या आगे 100 मीटर के मेडल
Tug
डाल
of
रहे
war.
हैं.
हाँ.
Tug of war
हाँ.
उधर की
someone
तरह.
swimming.
उधर पीछे tug of war चालू है and everyone is just like finding people who look strong and like तू चल
एक
तू चल
सेकंड I just realized ये ओलंपिक्स में टग ऑफ वॉर क्यों नहीं होता?
होना चाहिए ना.
नहीं होता क्या?
I don't know.
तो
पता
क्या
नहीं
फायदा
यार.
ये स्पोर्ट्स डे रखने का?
But guys, do you all know why Olympians like bite their medals?
It used to be real whatever bronze to bronze, silver to silver,
Gold
gold
to
to
gold.
gold, real chunk of that.
Yeah, but like
But now it's no longer that.
no. But like, do you know why they do it?
To check if it's real.
Okay. Yeah.
So like they bite
Yeah.
it and then like there's some way to know if it's
Yeah, so
real or
basically
not.
back in the
Specific
day,
taste.
like no, like real gold, if you put a little pressure on it, it leaves an indent.
If it's real gold or if it's
Oh.
chocolate, it does that.
Yeah, those chocolate coins.
Chocolate coins.
It will leave an indent. You see,
Yeah, and then
if
you know it's like real.
chocolate, then it'll feel a little sweet in your mouth. If it's real gold, then it
It'll
might
taste
just
like
feel
metal.
weird.
Yeah.
You might
might taste like metal.
Yeah, might.
Who knows?
Might.
Who knows?
You know, there's this one picture of this one Korean.
Yeah.
She's such a cutie.
She's
She
so
won
cute.
she won the third prize.
Yeah.
She won bronze, and the other two, I don't remember which country the first two winners were from, but she saw them biting their medal, and she's like, oh,
करना होता
मैं
है.
भी करती जरा.
Oh.
And it's so cute.
So cute.
Yeah,
Oh.
damn cute.
Special kudos to our Indian hockey team.
How can I forget?
They
How
were
can we
so
forget the
good.
legends?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I feel like it was a blessing for all of us because we couldn't watch our team win back in 1980. And
Mhm.
like
I-
that was a very proud moment back then. So that India.
Did they win a gold?
Yeah, they did. They did.
Not this year,
Yay.
huh?
Yeah,
1980,
1980. Yeah, yeah.
1980.
Now we won a bronze.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I remember watching the match for the I think it was a quarterfinal or it was a match for the bronze medal.
Mhm.
I don't quite remember, but it was against England,
Hmm.
and we were all just so happy that India beat England, and it was like, so they finished the time, and then it was like a knockout,
Yeah.
and the other team like fucked up so horribly, and we were hitting goals like
Yeah.
every
Left, right,
hit
center.
was a goal, and their goalkeeper was like invisible to us. We couldn't see him. Not invisible. The invisible is a good thing, but like he was just like not there. He might as well be
Non-existent.
not doing his job.
Bro, that's India if we beat England in any sports. So loser.
British people are such sore losers that they literally steal medals from other countries
They steal
and put them
diamonds.
in their museums
and
and
claim
call
it to be
it-
their own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they steal other things too.
It's like it's giving international chore bazaar.
Let's go shop there someday. Let's steal it back.
Antique चीजें भी होती है भाई.
वही लोग हैं antique.
Bro, I wonder if I go to the British Museum with my mom and she'd be like, ये तो घर पे भी है.
घर पे नहीं है, घर का गायब हो गया.
घर का गायब हो गया, ये यहाँ पर है.
मम्मी को भी नहीं मिल रही थी because यहाँ पे है.
If your mom can't find it, guys, it's in the
It's in the Great
British
Britain.
Museum.
Yeah, it's in the museum.
It's in the British Museum.
सब है उधर.
सब है लेकिन उनका नहीं है.
कुछ भी उनका नहीं
तेरा
है.
कच्चा नहीं मिल रहा है. वहाँ पे जाके ढूंढ.
Ay, ay, ay. I wonder how many rubber bands they have. They have a fish tank of just rubber bands. How many rubber bands have you lost, bro?
Yeah.
As a girl, or like anyone that has
Long hair.
interest in rubber bands, I guess.
Oh, मेरे बाल पे sorry.
Two.
Very interested.
Very, very. Speaking of interested, you know what I was interested in this week besides the Olympics?
What?
Whoa.
So there was I'm sure you guys know this, but there was this roast that was done on Kusha
Oh yeah,
Kapoor.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't laugh, yeah.
No,
Bro,
it
come
was,
on, everyone's laughing.
It was funny.
it was yeah.
so
I don't want to say no, but it was funny.
the thing
थोड़ा
is,
problematic sound करेंगे,
but
but ठीक
the
है.
other comedians I really like, but there's one specific comedian, Samay Raina, and I have nothing to say against
I
him
love
or anything.
him.
He's the love of my life. Samay Raina can have my babies. I know for a fact that he wouldn't want it because he likes
For
to
those
ask
who
his
know,
ask his girlfriends to get aborted.
that's why I said for those who know.
So the problem with Samay Raina to me is creative jokes, yes. He's one of the few comedians that can crack a dark joke and I can appreciate the creativity behind it. But
Yeah.
I don't like the fact that he does cross a line. Sometimes it's not
Definitely.
very tasteful to me personally.
yeah, same.
If he toned it down like a notch, I would be a fan, in fact.
yeah.
A notch, I would like go crazy because his observations are just so like astute.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
so good.
Valid.
But I wonder if no, I don't wonder. I just somewhere feel that Kusha has to have known that those jokes were being made on her, even though she's saying that she doesn't. Maybe she knew the context of them.
She signed an agreement. She signed an agreement on the show.
But like, I don't think
But-
they specified what jokes are going to be said against who.
Yeah.
But
see,
सब
I think-
पता होता है ना वो best friends नहीं बोल सकते लेकिन समय
Those
और
them.
Kusha
See,
दोस्त
I
है.
feel like even though a part of it might be staged, but like to get an organic reaction, some part of it they must probably did
Exactly.
like conceal
reveal.
from the guests
Yeah.
or whatever. And
Maybe
how much can you specify in the agreement also? You'll only specify ठीक है तेरे पे dark jokes बनेंगे.
Dark
you gonna
jokes
be okay with
बनेंगे.
it?
Dark
They
jokes
can
बनेंगे.
specify on what exactly.
Yeah. Dark jokes बनेंगे related to
your-
your marriage,
Or your marriage, your
related
weight,
to your weight.
your looks, all that is
Yeah,
fine.
related to your Bollywood debut.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
correct.
bro, you signed up for a roast show.
I get that.
You signed up for a roast show in which Samay Raina is coming.
You know what to expect.
ठीक है, but then I do agree with you where he did He does cross a line.
पता
does
नहीं
cross
उसने
the line.
बोला क्या. Of course वो bleeped out था, लेकिन I can imagine it was horrible.
I mean, if it got bleeped out, then
No,
Of
I
course
read
it's
it in the
horrible.
comments from the people who went
Who are
on the
the-
show,
who are the-
and it was very bad. But मेरे को तो बहुत funny लगता है भाई ये बंदा. Sorry.
No, funny, I agree with you, but I also
Yeah.
agree with what Zia says.
Yeah.
He did cross the line there.
Yeah.
And it was very valid for Kushna to get a little like
हाँ मैं तो रो देती.
cold war.
हाँ
kind of
भाई मैं तो
situation.
उधर ही
मैं
रो
तो नहीं
देती.
कर पाती.
Guys, comment down below if you want a बेशरम रो.
Comment down below if you want to watch us cry. No, but speaking about him like crossing a line, he was invited to this college event where the organizers were like, you know, if you cuss, then we'll not get placements.
Why did you get him? Why did you get him?
No, bro. If you agreed, so basically there was this one college, I don't remember which college. They invited him to for a show,
Okay.
and they were like, listen, you can't cuss because college event.
And the
our-
placement
our-
cell that got you here, उनका placement cancel
एक
हो जाएगा.
placement cell का
Listen,
event है
no.
ये.
Listen.
हाँ.
No, it wasn't on the placement cell. They just organized it, but
Yeah.
the organizing committee, they were warned that if Samay cusses,
Cusses, then
they won't get a placement.
placement. Oh
Good
yeah.
placements.
No, they won't get placements.
They won't get placements only, and it's a
Ah.
good college with good placements. So they're like,
Okay.
"Bhai, chahiye."
Obviously.
He didn't cuss the entire show, throughout the entire
Samay
show.
didn't?
No, listen, he did not. And then in the end, he was like,
language.
placements.
नहीं 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 नहीं. He was like नहीं गई तुम लोग की placements.
And then you can see the organizing company in the back being like, see that
That
wasn't
was
right.
a little too much.
Because if you signed, if you've agreed to not doing it,
don't do
don't
it.
do it,
It's,
bro.
it's not just your reputation that's on stake. It's literally people's fucking futures.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Nahi,
I
bro,
agree.
that was not
That
done.
was not done.
I did not know this.
But
Me neither.
I found it very funny in the
So,
moment.
no,
I've also been to his shows, and there's this one specific thing that he does. He'll do his set, and once the set is done, he'll be like,
I love that. I love
after
that.
the set is done, he'll be like, तो दोस्तों अभी बात कर रहा हूँ ऐसा हार्ट टू हार्ट, बहुत अच्छा लगा तुम लोग शो पे आए, मज़ा आया होगा तुम लोग को, अगर तो एंजॉय किया, अच्छा है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और अगर तुम लोग को ऐसा कभी लगा कि जोक्स थोड़े ज़्यादा डार्क हुए या एक लाइन क्रॉस हुआ, एक लिमिट क्रॉस हुआ है, तो बाहर निकलते वक्त एक फीडबैक फॉर्म है, उस पे अपना रिव्यूज लिखना और वो फोल्ड करके अपनी में डालना.
See, I appreciate his humor in certain places. It's very funny. It's done tastefully
Very
sometimes,
funny.
but he does cross the
I'll
line.
tell you what.
I really hope someone comments on our video, or like if a reel gets cut out of this.
Yeah.
For sure.
I
want-
love you, Samay.
Yeah.
As we are talking about the roast, Kullu was also there on the roast
I
show.
love
Okay.
Kullu, man.
I don't like Supreme
really
Leader
like
fan
him.
forever.
No, I really like
Supreme
Who is the
Leader
Supreme
stand
Leader? I don't know,
forever.
I don't
Samay
know.
Samay
Raina.
Raina.
Acha,
He's the supreme leader
उसको
of
सु-
what?
Supreme Leader बोलते हैं.
Every roast shows.
Achha.
Dark jokes.
roast
like
show
that.
This is
नहीं,
good.
उसको Supreme Leader ही बोलते हैं. Okay.
He's not the best of the comedians, but yeah.
No, he's
when
not
it
the
comes
best
to
of the
roast
comedians,
and
of
dark,
course.
I think he does it the best.
Yeah. So, Kullu was also there on the show, and Samay Raina was so brutal on him. He was like very bad. Like the jokes that he said were like horrible. And I was thinking, like, Samay and Kullu look like they are good friends. Okay, they both of them hang out with Tanmay.
Bro,
Pura time.
most of Samay's
Pura
jokes are
time.
about Kullu and
Yeah,
Tanmay
man,
only. Any
it's
other
very
Yeah.
old now.
It's
Yeah.
over, khatam ho gaya.
Like,
Like, naya topic lao.
कितना निकाल
content.
कितना content निकाल रहे
That's
इससे?
exactly what Samay said to Kullu. कितना निकालेगा Tanmay का?
Yeah.
So Kullu and Samay seem like good friends. They both,
Yeah.
In the same
occasionally
industry.
hang out with Tanmay, kind of like coming from the same group and stuff.
Mm.
So why did Samay go like this brutal on him? And then like I'm just like stalking Kullu's page one day because I was like,
चल
क्यों
क्या
पर
रहा
है?
है?
हाँ, क्या हो क्या रहा है? And then I see Kullu like very frequently hanging out with Sahiba Bali.
Hmm.
Now Sahiba Bali, you guys know, the Zomato marketeer.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I
she
don't know.
was a Zomato marketer. She was in Laila Majnu also, and there were rumors that Samay used to date her.
Okay.
Okay.
Samay used to
Can't
date.
imagine her with a girlfriend, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can't
me
imagine
neither.
him with a girlfriend, sorry.
Yeah.
Me
I
neither. Me
can't.
neither. Me neither.
That's a single guy.
Yeah,
To me.
Forever.
He's the fun uncle. Fun uncle for life.
Yeah, fun uncle who
yeah,
is
yeah.
bordering creepy, but ठीक है चलता है.
But
Funny,
If he
yes.
doesn't drink too much, then he'll be fine.
Yeah.
Giving that.
Yeah.
We all have that. We all know what you're talking about.
So there were like
yourself, babe.
Okay, sorry.
So there were like rumors that Sahiba and Samay are kind of dating. And then I saw that Kullu and Sahiba are like now talking a lot,
Right.
going out a
They're
lot.
making reels like
They're making reels like
randomly flirting with each
yeah,
other.
flirtatious
Hmm.
reels and everything.
Okay.
Like सुबह उठ के एक दूसरे के लिए पोहा बना रहे हैं वगैरह.
Ew.
हाँ भाई.
Oh.
That is
No.
And ब्रो तेरे को करना है तो कर.
I-
तेरे को समय को छोड़ के किसी और के पास जाना है तो जा. कुल्लू के पास कौन जाता है यार?
पोहा
यार.
कौन बनाता है यार?
But bro, Kullu's not bad. I really like Kullu.
ब्रदर, पोहा बनाने का
देख,
एक
मैं-
विधि, पोहा बनाने की एक विधि होती है, सबको नहीं आती है. कोई
मैं-
लोग राई डाल देते, कोई लोग शिंगदाना डाल देते हैं उसमें. ठीक है?
But brother,
no shingdana.
yeah, bro.
No shingdana gang.
And bro,
No
राई
shingdana
तो
gang.
डालो ही मत.
I
हमें
love
तुम्हारी
shingdana
राई
in my
नहीं चाहिए.
poha.
अपना उंगली लो
और
और मुंह पे रखो.
But I love shingdana when it's nice and crispy.
तू हम लोग खाएंगे तो
मजा
मेरा
आएगा.
शिंगदाना देखो सब दे
सब मेरे घर पे यही करते
वो
हैं, मुझे ही
इरिटेट
डालते
होता है
हैं.
ना वो
मुकुल,
निकालने का.
हाँ क्यों
चना.
है शिंगदाना पोहा में?
जाने दे. आगे
Yeah.
So
बोल.
whatever. It's just like
It's not like a good fit together, you know?
yeah, it's not.
No, it's like
fitting.
थोड़ा कुरकुरा.
But
अबे
but you
पोहे की
know,
बात नहीं
but
चल
you know
रही
who's a
है.
good fit.
अब हम कपिल पे मूव ऑन हो गए.
But do you know who's a good
He's
fit,
good at-
Srishti? What?
कुरकुरा.
She's still thinking of the poha.
चाहिए क्या तुझे?
भूख लगी है.
मंगाते तेरे लिए.
Extra shingdana.
मुंह खोल. Shingdana and poha is not a good fit, but you know who is a good fit?
who?
Shobita and
Naga Chaitanya. I
Yes.
Naga Chaitanya
Okay,
sounds
yeah.
like a god's name.
maybe yeah, they are a good fit because Samantha was like too good for them.
Oh.
Yeah, I said it.
For sure.
I said it. And you know what? The day these guys got engaged,
Mhm.
Naga Chaitanya and Sobhita, so it happened on August 8th. And that was like few years back, Samantha proposed Naga Chaitanya on August 8th.
oh brother.
I'm not gonna lie, but that
shit.
August.
Shit. But like, didn't he cheat on Samantha or something?
Yeah, we
Oh,
don't know.
Oh, okay, then it
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
Guys, I
Oh.
didn't know
Oh,
the
shit,
backstory.
what?
Yeah, yeah,
I didn't know.
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
saw the
Samantha.
Instagram post and they're like, oh, that's cute.
No, wait.
He
wait.
cheated on Samantha. Hence
Shit.
the divorce.
Samantha and Naga Chaitanya were married, like very much in
I was
love.
so wrong.
4 to
Cute,
5
cute,
years, I
cute.
think.
What the
Yeah.
hell?
And
Bro.
then
Naga Chaitanya is like a shingdana, bro. I'm sorry.
I give him that.
You know how MC Stan said, a shemdi? He was a shengdi. Shemdi? You don't know he said shemdi?
Yeah,
we
I
know
was like
Shengdi, but what's
No,
Shengdi?
Shengdi is like
Shengdana.
Like shengdi.
That was
Sheng,
bad,
right?
that
No,
was
correct,
bad.
correct.
Good.
Correct. I support.
I support you as well.
But I don't support Naga Chaitanya.
Me neither.
No,
But
now-
ठीक है.
now-
Cheat
तो I
करने के
don't.
बाद भाई.
Hey, cheater hai.
हाँ.
Guys, if I made any comments in
Naga
this
is a
section,
cheater.
just know that I didn't know any context and I
Same,
just
same,
made
same.
those comments and I don't know what I'm talking about. Just this section. Otherwise,
Yeah, I didn't know he cheated and all. I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
like
And,
he was a cool dude.
Also, there were like rumors that like he was very insecure about Samantha's career, like really
Yeah.
doing really well, and he's like,
I
Kaso.
can't take
Look
that.
kar lo baat.
Kaso.
like how is she doing that? And then he
Wow.
was
And-
damn insecure about that also.
People on the internet are like, Sobhita did real life Made in Heaven.
That's cold.
Yeah, so you know in Made in Heaven how she
yeah,
kind of
Right.
Oh, shit.
exactly.
Scandalous.
I love
And-
Shobhita
but
in
you
Made
know-
in Heaven, but like
yeah.
after this, I
I
just
I love her
I
as
can't,
an actress. I love her as an actress. I absolutely
great.
I
love
great
her
actress.
work.
but I can't look at her the same now.
But ठीक है.
मतलब
उनको प्यार होगा एक दूसरे से बहुत. We can't
Can't
talk
judge.
about-
No, but like once a cheater, always a cheater.
We don't even know if he cheated.
That's our opinions. Like
Yeah.
she
Yeah, I
probably has a
agree,
different
but-
view of it.
But
Yeah,
one
fair.
thing you can, like, by one thing you can tell that who was the right one in the relationship is after the breakup you wait. एक का glow up होता है और एक relationship में जाता है. जिसका glow up हुआ
वो सही था.
एक अपने तक रखता है, एक दूसरों को जाकर हकता है. जो दूसरों को जाकर हक रहा है
वो गलत है.
वो गलत.
ऐसा नहीं होता. सबको
नहीं,
बोलने
एक
का मन
बात
तो
होती
करता
है,
है. कुछ
नहीं
कुछ
बोलने
लोगों
का
को
मन करता है, तेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स को वो अलग बात है. अगर तू एक ही ग्रुप में बिलोंग करती है,
Belong.
गुड ईटीएम, सॉरी, तू एक ही ग्रुप में बिलोंग करती है और समझ ऐसा एविडेंट है कि तेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया और ये ग्रुप स्प्लिट होने वाला है, तो तू ऐसे एक डेस्परेट रहेगा जो जा जाकर पूरी स्टोरी पहले सबसे
हाँ.
पहले बताने को देखेगा.
They
जिसका
like
कि he
want
get
to clear
everything
their
on
side.
Everyone.
हाँ.
everyone on
I
their
think
side.
what you're saying is just going and bluttering it out to anyone,
Yeah.
not their friends.
हाँ,
Yeah.
that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah,
That's what I'm saying.
of course, that is a given.
Yeah, but glow up जिसका होता है वो सही होता है.
Noted, दीदी. Noted.
Correct.
You know, ये सेक्शन में तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा clueless थी. I
Hmm.
don't know who. I forget the names of the people that you mentioned just now.
Yeah.
Nagraj,
Naga Chaitanya.
Naga Chaitanya.
भाई
troll ने
भाई
दिया यार.
नहीं काटेंगे यार.
Nagraj.
भाई यशराज
नटराज. नटराज होता है वो पेंसिल.
अप्सरा, not Nagraj.
Apsara Ali. Copyright.
अरे यार.
भाई what
please, Zia, please.
मैं
This
बोल
is
रही हूँ-
chaotic. Please,
No, no,
yes,
no, no,
go
wait.
on.
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे ये सेक्शन में तो ज्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था.
Hmm.
पर पता है, और एक चीज हुई है ये हफ्ता जिसमें मैं इससे भी ज्यादा क्लूलेस थी
क्या हो गया?
कि हो क्या रहा है. तो अपेरेंटली ऐसा कुछ सीन हुआ है कि बांग्लादेश पे कुछ लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, तो कुछ रिटेलिएशन या कुछ हुआ और it got so bad that the prime minister had to flee the country.
Yeah.
Prime Minister of Bangladesh had to flee the country.
Hmm.
Now we don't know where she is at the moment. So there is rumors that she is in India.
India.
And she fled through helicopter. They don't know where she is, and the public got so mad.
Yeah.
They broke into her house
Yeah, man.
and stole shit. And I'm not saying like they stole money or jewelry. I understand. उन्होंने सभी ले लिया.
भाई बकरी चुरा रहे हैं.
Oh, what?
बकरियां चुरा रहे. They stealing her bras.
एक second. I have a better way to put this. I have a game. I'll tell you things and you guess whether it was stolen from that house or not.
let's
Okay,
do it,
let's
let's
do
do
that.
The game is called Did This Get Stolen from the Bangladeshi PM's house?
Damn.
I know.
tuned to find out.
Stay tuned. इतना अच्छा.
नाम.
हाँ बोल.
Okay. The first thing, chalo. Do you think the gym equipment was taken from that house?
No.
Yes.
No.
It was taken from that house.
One thing.
But then it makes me wonder कि वहाँ पर मतलब जिम की कमी है या पत्थर नहीं है उनके पास, मतलब जिम
चल क्या रहा है?
क्यों ले रहे हो तुम?
Yeah.
वहाँ जिम
वे-
बनी बनाई
पता
है.
लगता
अगर
है-
तुमने ऑलरेडी ब्रेक इन कर लिया है तो
वहाँ पे चलाओ.
वहाँ पे चला दो ना. वहीं पे चले
चला
जाओ.
दो.
हाँ.
She's not
भाई
even
क्या
there.
प्रीमियम मिलेगा वो मेंबरशिप
Exactly.
का.
भाई मुझे लगता है वो लोग ऐसा 5 kg वेट लेके भाग गए और रुके हुए हैं. वो वापस आएंगे तो फेंक के मारेंगे.
ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए गाइस. कंट्री की इकोनॉमी गिर गई है
Economy की
पूरी.
बात है भाई. हाँ.
और
ये fun segment ही कर लेते
थोड़ा
हैं.
सा तो फनी है. सेकंड, अ साड़ी का ब्लाउज.
Yes.
No.
It was a purple sari ka blouse, and I swear to God, it looked like you guys have nanis and dadis, exactly like that.
Wavelength.
It was worn out, and
no.
it was
Like
purple.
imagine if a bra is being stolen. Blouse. Blouse समझ रहे हो?
ब्रा से कितना ज्यादा कपड़ा है उसमें.
Bra तो was like, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? अब तो तुम मजे के लिए कर रहे हो.
Exactly.
This one's good. Biryani and korma.
Real. Yes.
ये तो मैं
Yes. मैं वेज बोल, मुझे पता है ये
तो
चुराया हुआ है।
apparently उसके फ्रिज में पड़ा था और लोग खा रहे उसी के डाइनिंग टेबल पे.
ये तो बेस्टीज का सीन हो गया. I would do this at your house.
I would do this at your house.
This has happened so many times. I've just opened the fridge. किधर है? बैठ के खा रहे हैं सोफे पे.
Yeah, इसके घर पे बेस्ट चॉकलेट्स होते हैं.
Best.
Not from Bangladesh.
Next one, a whip.
What whip?
What?
Like
A
a
whip.
or like the whisk.
That's a whisk. Oh, that's a whisk.
Whip.
A whip.
ये ना उधर बैठ के रोलेक्स रोल्स रॉयस होता है. मैंने रियलाइज
ठीक
किया
है.
है.
A whip.
Sis is
Didi.
very-
Didi.
I think no.
A worn out
No,
bra.
no, no, no,
A
no,
second.
no,
A
no,
worn out bra and a worn out blouse.
No.
Blouse, sorry.
No, not a whip.
No, not
Not
a
a
whip.
whip.
You're right.
Yeah.
There was no whip.
Because I don't think she's a woman to use a whip.
Next one, a duck.
Yes, real. Yes.
No.
Yes.
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 Somebody actually stole a duck from her house.
Yeah?
Actually, not just duck, like fucking cattle. Like
Bakri.
मुर्गी, बकरी. उसके बैकयार्ड में जाकर उसके एनिमल्स चुरा लिए लोगों ने.
I didn't imagine her to have a duck. I don't know why.
I don't know
Now I'm
why
confused.
she did. Okay.
Anyway.
Next one is a little tricky. I don't know if you'll get it. An AP Dillon CD.
अरे
I
like
think-
vibe करना, सब vibe करते हैं.
Wait, let me guess.
Depends on which song it is. Then people might
CD,
not want to
the
steal
fact
it.
that it's a CD.
CD. Then
I
people
Like
think
she
yes.
didn't have an iPhone.
I think yes.
No.
I think yes.
No.
I think no.
No.
It wasn't there. I made
Wasn't
that up.
there?
I made that
Because
up.
you know why? You know
Nice.
why I said yes?
That's
Because
very specific.
she's too old.
For AP Dillon.
No. She might be cool for AP Dillon, but she's too old in the sense that she will have a CD.
Yeah.
She'll not have it on a phone. And you know, she
Okay.
might be a cool lady to like be jamming to AP Dillon. So
I have one last one.
Hmm.
See if you guys can get it. And I'm gonna cover my face for this so that you guys can't tell because I have a horrible poker face. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
We can still
Uh,
see your
and-
face.
An inflatable Doraemon balloon.
Yes.
Yes. No, wait.
Yes.
no.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, no. No.
It was not. But I wonder how funny it would be if it was. Like, imagine like a life-size one.
Yeah.
Somebody dragging it out.
भाई, I saw somebody take a Dior bag. मैं होती, मैं भी लेती.
Real.
Bro, that
But
tall
बकरी
sell,
बिकरी
bro.
नहीं भाई.
Yeah.
Come on.
I think वो एक point के बाद है ना वो सब
मैं-
मजाक उड़ाने के लिए
हाँ,
कर
हाँ,
रहे
हाँ,
थे.
हाँ, it was just a mock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो तो
अगर
म्यूजियम बन गया.
अरे वो ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम लेके जा रहे होंगे तो ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम के बाहर वाले गार्ड्स अब बिरयानी खा रहे हैं. क्यों सोचो? आप सोचो क्यों?
अगर मैं उतना गुस्सा होती मैं तो उसके फ्रिज का बर्फ भी खा लेती भाई.
वो खाया होगा लोगों ने.
हाँ.
अगर उसका फ्रिज खोली bro, it is such an
बर्फ है भाई.
it's such an intimate thing to open somebody's fridge and they were like इसने हमारी कंट्री की पूरी ले ली है, हम इसका जो हो सकता है वो सब ले लेंगे.
बर्फ भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
हम बर्फ भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
That was
Yeah.
insane.
Wow.
That was
Fun.
freaking insane.
This
bro.
went from sporty to gossip to God knows what.
To
Stealing.
yeah, to
Chor Bazaar.
robbery.
Chor Bazaar.
It
Chor
it
Bazaar.
took the Chor Bazaar route a few times
Hmm,
actually.
yeah.
It did.
Tried to end up there.
But I don't think so. The Bangladeshi people are stealing anything. They are just taking what's theirs.
Whoa, that's a deep thought. We're going to leave you with that deep thought.
Mm.
Tell us down in the comments if you think the Bangladeshi people deserved it or not. Also, before we go, no hate, no shade to Bangladeshis and
Yeah.
We
their-
love you all.
We
or
love our
anyone-
audience from there
anyone.
because I
Yes.
think I saw one comment which said like I'm from Bangladesh or something.
we support you.
We
and
love you. We love
And
the people
we
from there.
understand and empathize the situation that
Yeah.
you're going through.
It's a horrible
Totally.
situation to be
We're
in. I
really
can't
sorry that
imagine
you- the
being the
situation
public
that
of
you're in.
Bangladesh. at the
Exactly,
moment.
man. It's a
Yeah.
little sad.
That being said, let's end this on a high note.
Let's do
We'll see
it.
you next week, same time, same place. Till then, like, share, subscribe, comment, follow us on We Are Besharam on Instagram, and if you're listening on an audio platform, follow us there as well.
Yes.
Until then, we
We'll
love
see
you,
you.
we
We
miss
love
you,
you.
and